The Transport Authority says American ride-sharing company Uber has not received permission to operate on the island. On Tuesday, Jamaicans in Kingston, St. Andrew and St. Catherine were able to download the Uber rideshare application, request rides or sign up to become drivers. The Transport Authority, however, issued a note of caution. In a release issued Wednesday, the regulator said while it encourages diversity and engagement of technological solutions in providing services, any attempt to circumvent the provisions of the law will be taken as intent to operate illegally and not in the interest of good order or safety. In a statement announcing its availability in the Kingston metropolitan area and St. Catherine, Uber described its business model as a vehicle with driver lease agreement, saying the app serves as a contract portal between two parties who agree to sign a private lease contract every time services are used. The company says its model is, quote, legally permissible in Jamaica considering the applicable regulatory framework and has been successfully employed in other countries in the region, such as Honduras and Colombia, end quote. But the Transport Authority says the company's lease agreement is a new designation in the local public transportation landscape and may not eliminate the need for the company to engage licensed public transportation operators to provide its ride-sharing services locally. The authority says the provision of public transportation services, irrespective of the technology used, once deemed functionally as such, requires a road license from the authority. The Transport Authority says it previously met with the Uber team on two separate occasions when it was approached by the company intending to provide ride-sharing services. On both of these occasions, Uber was advised that the regulator is prepared to encourage its operations in the market once done in accordance with local public transportation legislation, which requires the engagement of public transportation operators to provide these services. Uber's debut in the Jamaican market has been met with mixed reactions. Local transport players have expressed concern about whether the company will be held to the same approval processes. To date, Transport Minister Robert Montague has not issued a statement.